Hello Dnation and welcome back to yet another unbox and review episode. Today we're going to be unboxing the Honda CRF 1000L Africa Twin, and this is a 118 scale licensed off-road diecast replica motorcycle manufactured by Maisto. So stay tuned with me on this one and let's get this started. Well, in today's episode, I want to save you the trouble of running through the entire process of unboxing these beautiful diecast motorcycles. And so for a change, I went ahead and pulled up one of a recently popular diecast model. So let's go ahead and take a look at this awesomely detailed replica motorcycle. Now as we know what this replica looks like, and with this out of the way, let's go ahead and look a bit further into this amazing 118 scale diecast motorcycle replica. To begin with, this model is a licensed diecast motorcycle replica of the Honda CRF 1000L Africa Twin model, which is an off-road motorcycle. And this is a premium and well-detailed replica and has a good build quality and quite a bit of intricate details to it. And this model is manufactured mostly of diecast and a few components with ABS plastic, which makes it premium looking like its life-size counterpart. And this premium model measures in at 4.8 inches in length, 3 inches in height, 1.8 inches in width, and weighs in at about 110 grams. And this model also comes with spot-on paint tabs and branding details and has free rolling wheels, excellent suspension, a kickstand, and a lot more details that make it a premium collectible. And with this licensed model, you're guaranteed a replica which is built to last and will warm the hearts of any diecast motorcycle collector or hobbyist. So with that being said, now let's place this off-road beauty on the Dnation dyno and check out its wheel spin and functionality. Kindly find further features and specifications regarding this premium diecast model in the description below. Well, everything seems to be spot on and up to my expectations with this premium model. So with that being said, let's place this diecast motorcycle on the Dnation turntable and take a look at this beauty in a 360-degree view. And as we take a look at this premium diecast motorcycle, here are a few fun facts. The Honda Africa Twin is a dual sport motorcycle made by Honda in 3 versions, 1988 to 1989 as the 650cc V-Twin XRV 650, then from 1990 to 2003 as the 750cc V-Twin XRV 750T, and then from 2016 to present as the 1000cc parallel twin CRF 1000L. This motorcycle was built in homage of the giant desert racers of the Paris-Dakar Rally. The Africa Twin is a large dual sport bike powered by a softly tuned V-twin engine. It has twin headlights, a windscreen, and a long dual seat which stretches back from the tank to the aluminium grab rail and the plastic-coated luggage rack. An aluminium bash plate protects the bottom of the engine from flying rocks and impacts. And for further information on the Africa Twin, kindly check the link in the description below. And if you want to get yourself or your loved ones this 118 scale diecast model that was featured in today's video, I dropped the Best Buy link in the description below. So go check it out and get yourself one if you're interested. And also, please do let me know in the comments below as to what are your thoughts on this particular Honda CRF 1000L Africa Twin 118 scale motorcycle model manufactured by Maisto. And now let's take a look at a few product shots of this beauty in all its glory. And this brings us to the end of this amazing unbox and review episode, and I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed making it for you. And if you guys enjoyed this video, give it a massive thumbs up and share it, and don't forget to smash that subscribe button if this is your first time here, and also don't forget to click that bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our exciting and upcoming episodes. And if you care to share your views and thoughts on this topic, please do drop a comment below, and stay tuned for a lot more exciting episodes coming up. Well, thank you for watching, take care, and I'll see you on the next one.